So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use the graphics window. Now, what you can do is you can do graphics window dot background color, and we're going to go equals, we're going to go for a steel blue. There are lots of colors that you can actually research for this. Graphics window dot title, my graphics program, and graphics window dot show. Now, obviously, at this point, it's going to work through the browser anyway, but it will show you your title of your program here and the browser window. Now, you can, if you've got Small Basic installed on your computer, do graphics window dot width and height, and you can set those to whatever you want. But unfortunately, with the browser version, some browsers, such as my browser, will not actually run those changes, okay? Now, the other thing I'm going to show you here, which is the drawing a line. So I'm going to say graphics window, draw line, and when you type in the .d, you can see there are lots of different things that you can put in. So whereas we did text a minute ago, and we did text window, this is different. This is where you make all the pictures, and this may be interesting if you go on to create a game. So what you've got with draw line is you've got your coordinates. So you're going to say where your start point is, your X and your Y. So go along the corridor, down the stairs. So that's your start point there. All right. So that is your first bit. Then you're going to say where you're going to. So your finish point, 100 to 100. So that is your start point, your X and your Y coordinate, and that is your finish point. So if I run that now, you can see that's my start point, that's my finish point. So it will draw the line between those two shapes. Now, the other thing you can do is do graphics window dot pen color, and it is the American Standard spelling, equals, and you can use different colors. So I'm going to go for red there. I'm going to run that. I'm going to copy and paste this, and then I'm going to create another line. And this time I'm going to go X, we're going to go down 10 across 100. So we've got our X and Y coordinates again. And this time, so we're going to create a red X. So we've got our different coordinates, our X and our Y coordinate. All right. You'll notice that 10 moves in from the right, then we go down. Okay, so we've got here, move in from the right. This time we've went down. So this time we went down 100. That's why that point starts there this time. So see what you can create with some lines as a little introduction to the graphics window.